Zoom and ServiceNow revealed plans to integrate their platforms as part of Knowledge 2025, an annual event by ServiceNow. The integration will provide a comprehensive AI-driven solution for customer service and IT support. This unified system from Zoom CX and ServiceNow is set to be available later this year via the ServiceNow store. The integration aims to deliver an AI-first solution for customer service and IT support in the contact center. The partnership seeks to provide a simpler, more personalized experience for customers by bringing voice, video, and digital interactions directly into the flow of work for service teams, as well as offering a unified workspace that empowers agents to manage all types of customer interactions within one platform. This allows them to stay focused on the customer while having real-time access to CRM data, interaction history, entitlements, and open cases. The combination with ServiceNow's industry workflows enables agents to take action in context, speeding up issue resolution and delivering a tailored experience for customers. Additionally, the integration of AI capabilities from Zoom with ServiceNow's automation and CRM intelligence allows organizations to provide personalized support at scale. Includes handling customer issues with context-aware responses, sentiment analysis, smart note-taking, and automatic call dispositioning, freeing agents to focus on high-value interactions. This move aligns with Zoom's shift towards an AI-first platform and enhancing its appeal in the enterprise sector. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.